All right, so setting up for watercolors. First thing is to make sure your palette's clean. If it's not, go ahead and clean it. So all I do is get all of my colors activated with a little bit of water. If there's colors that are contaminated, like this yellow, grab some water, mix it in, dry off my brush, clean my brush, dry off my brush. And grab the colors out of there. Dry it off, grab them. Same thing over here with this magenta red kind of color. Clean it off. Squeeze out any extra water from my brush, get the extra water out of the colors, and the contaminated color comes with it.